You may know saffron as a tiny thread that turns dishes golden, but it's far more than a color or a flavor. Saffron comes from the red stigma of the crocus sativus flower, 3 little threads per bloom. In a pinch, a few strands can perfume a stew, color rice, and cost more than its weight in gold. Today we'll unpack why saffron is the world's most expensive spice. From Iran to Spain and Kashmir, geography, labor, and chemistry all play a part. We'll cover 3 big reasons: rarity, harvest effort, and chemical value, plus tips for buying and storing so you get real saffron, not a fake. First, how and where saffron grows. Let's go to the fields. Saffron has been used for millennia in cooking, medicine, and dyeing across Persia, Greece, and the Mediterranean. Trade routes spread saffron, but true cultivation is limited by climate. It thrives in regions with hot summers and cold winters. Places like Iran produce most of the world's saffron. Spain, Kashmir, Greece, and Morocco also grow prized varieties, each with distinct aroma and color. Remember, each flower offers only 3 red stigmas. It takes thousands of crocuses for a kilogram. That scarcity starts the high price, but the harvest is what really drives costs. Next, the labor that turns those threads into saffron. Drying and sorting by hand preserves aroma. It's meticulous work. Harvest must happen early in the morning to keep stigmas intact and aromatic oils from dissipating. Each stigma is hand-plucked. Machines can't match the gentle precision needed. After plucking, threads are carefully dried to lock in crocine, picrocrocine, and saffronal, the compounds that give color, bitterness, and aroma. Crocine gives the vibrant yellow color, picrocrocine gives taste, saffronal gives aroma. Whole threads hold better flavor than powders. Powders are at risk of adulteration. Because it takes so many flowers and time, the price per gram is high, often more than a gram of silver. That human craftsmanship, region, and grading all shape both quality and price. And a little goes a long way. A few threads infuse large volumes with color and aroma. To recap: 1 rarity, 3 threads per bloom, 2 labor, hand harvest and sorting, 3 chemistry, powerful pigments and aromas. Tip 1, buy whole threads, not powder. Whole threads last longer and are easier to verify. Tip 2, try a water test. Real saffron releases golden color slowly, not immediately like dyed fakes. Tip 3, check origin and price. Extremely cheap saffron is often counterfeit. Store in an airtight container away from light and use within a year for best aroma. Crush and bloom saffron in warm liquid to release its color and fragrance before adding to your dish. A pinch of saffron is a chef's magic. Expensive, yes, but unmatched for depth and aroma. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more culinary deep dives.